Most beginners lose money, not because investing is hard, but because they follow the wrong strategy. So here's the best strategy for beginners. Step 1. Keep it simple. Don't chase complex investments. Start with basics. Index funds, ETFs. Step 2. Diversify. Don't put all your money in one place. Spread your risk. Step 3. Invest regularly, not once, not randomly, but consistently. Step 4. Think long-term. Ignore short-term noise. Focus on years, not days. Step 5. Control emotions. Don't panic when markets fall. Don't get greedy when they rise. Stay disciplined. Step 6. Reinvest profits. Don't withdraw early. Let your money grow. And the most important rule, stay consistent. Because investing is not about timing the market. It's about time in the market. Here's the truth. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to be consistent. Because small investments over long time create big wealth. So keep it simple, stay patient, and trust the process. I hope you understand, so subscribe for more finance content.